Good morning, students. Today I am here to explain English language adverbs. So what is an adverbs? An adverbs modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, I ate my dinner quickly. Here, quickly tell us how the action happens. That is, quickly describe the action word ate. I ate my dinner. So ate is an action word. So here quickly describe the action word ate. Some examples are given in your book also on page 57 at the top. First one, we should speak politely. In the bracket it is given modifying the verb speak. So here politely tell us how the action happens. That is politely describe the action word speak. Next example, the race finished quickly, modifying the verb finish. Here, quickly tell us how the action happens, that is, quickly describe the action word finished. Now the next, third example, she came in happily, modifying the verb come. Over here again, happily tell us how the action happens, that is happily describe the action word came. So the highlighted adverbs tell us how the action happens. One thing remember, student, an adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. An adverb tells how, where, or when an action happens. I give you some example words like daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, calmly, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently, near, soon, etc. So these are the words we can use as an adverb. Okay, so now there are many types of an adverbs. First is given in your book on page number 57. An adverb that tell us the manner of an action are called adverbs of manner. Most adverbs of manner are formed by adding ly or ily to adjectives. For example, bright, brightly, nice, nicely, silent, silently, angry, angrily. So you will see in all the words at the end of the word, you will see what will added in this words ly or ily. Okay, so sometimes we add ly to an adjective to get an adverb. Remember that. Okay, so these are the exercises I have already done for you. Go through it. I also give you in your pdfs also. Students, here one more kind of an adverb given on page number 58. Adverb of place. An adverb that tell us where an action take place are called adverbs of place. Here are some example. He was outside. The insects are everywhere. They went upstairs. The highlighted adverbs tell us the place of the action. So these words outside, everywhere, upstairs, these words tell you where the action happened, where the action take place. So there are some words given in your book also: near, far, here, there, away, inside, outside, everywhere, nowhere, up, down, in, out, upstairs, downstairs. So these are the words which we can use in adverbs of place. Okay, remember these words, learn these words. Here one more example, adverbs of time. So what is adverbs of time? Adverbs that tell us the time of an action are called adverbs of type. It tells you the time when the action was happened. So over here some example: I can't come home now. You can come home later. I will meet you tomorrow. The highlighted adverb tell us when an action take place. So these are the words given in your books also: always, never, early, late, before, later, yesterday, today, tomorrow, soon, now, then, earlier. So by these words you can know the time when the action was happened. Okay. Next is adverbs of frequency. Now adverb of frequency tell us about the frequency of an action, the repetition, the continuation of the work or the action, means action which is happening every time in a routine. Okay, so here's some example given in your books. We seldom meet each other means regularly meet each other. The magazine comes bi-monthly means every month the magazine comes. Nirvan is often late for work means mostly Nirvan was late. These highlighted adverbs tell us how often an action happens. They are often used to indicate routine or repeated activities and are commonly used with a simple present tense. So these words are used in a simple present tense. So I hope all of you understand the lesson. Thank you. Stay safe and keep learning.